Hey everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to remove, rearrange payment icons on the footer of Horizon theme in Shopify. So you can see I have my theme Horizon over here and we have a couple of payment icons showing up in there. So to manage all the payment settings, you need to head out to your settings, and here you can see we have payment options. So if you want to remove it, you can simply remove your payment options and you will be having no icons showing totally. If you want to customize, what you can do is simply head over to apps, and there you need to search in here for payment icons. So let me just search in here for, and in the app store for the Shopify you will be able to see different badges that you can simply represent onto your store. So like for example, we have these trust and payment badges. These look something like this. You can place them anywhere onto your screen and totally customizable and really authentic. So you cannot add these with default Shopify settings, but you can do it using the trust badges and payment icons. So I highly recommend you install this. And yeah, so this is pretty much it, and I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.